What's up, guys? It's your girl, Crazy Gains. I'm coming to you guys with some amazing XRP news, not only here for America, but all over the world. So if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please subscribe and hit that like button. Let's get into it. Breaking. Sources tell Eleanor Tourette that the SEC versus Ripple case is in the process of wrapping up and could be over soon. Here's another one. Watch your guru just in. SEC preparing to end the lawsuit against Ripple XRP. This is imminent news. We've been waiting for this case to be over for years, and now we're just maybe a few days to maybe a few weeks away from hearing the greatest news that the cryptocurrency markets can hear. Once the SEC case is over and XRP is completely freed, this will open up the floodgates to cryptocurrency markets. And check this out. Breaking. Japan lowers their XRP taxes. Is this for all tax or just Ripple tax? Currently, Japan is using XRP to settle all of their transactions. So, aiming to cap crypto taxes at 20% is a huge deal because capital gains taxes are a lot, especially if you hold for less than a year. It says, will the US announce a crypto tax reduction for US based assets? Well, the news over here is that President Trump was going to make American based cryptos tax free here in America. Are we still going to see that with American based cryptos like Ripple, XLM, XDC, and Quant, and a bunch of different other ones? Or are we going to see a cap, perhaps like Japan did? Maybe he'll cap it at 5%, 10%, even though I am hoping that we're going to hear that they are tax free here in America, because that is just going to bring a whole slew of new investors to assets that are actually tax free. And more amazing news coming down. US inflation is down 2.8% lower than predicted. You know what happens next when we have Jay Powell over here printing and throwing out money. But honestly, we are looking forward to the next FOMC meeting where we can hear that the interest rates are going to be lowered next. So let's see what happens with those 3 rate cuts we're expected to see this year. And just in, China allows ownership of Bitcoin and cryptocurrency. So the floodgates just opened from China. They are creating their own reserves as we speak. Yesterday, they just purchased about 300 Bitcoin for their reserves. So it's on, guys. Every single country and even state and even some corporations are starting to hold on to some Bitcoin as a reserve asset. Some good news coming in for Doge today. Breaking. The SEC has accepted the application for the Bitwise Doge ETF. I think this is the first meme cryptocurrency that has been accepted as an ETF. Congratulations to the Doge holders. And I think that Doge has taken on a little bit of scrutiny lately because there's also the Department of Government Efficiency, which is not exactly in partnership with the Doge token. I'm hoping that Elon does something better with the Doge token. Perhaps he can use it as the premier X currency once X payment starts, but that's all hearsay and rumors. I know he has something in mind for the Doge token because it is near and dear to his heart. So let's see what happens with Doge. I know I have a little bag packed and I'm planning to buy more Doge as the time comes, but congratulations for the Doge community. And I want you guys to hear something from Jenny Johnson, who is Franklin Templeton's president and CEO. This is a huge deal.
First of all, I always say that that Bitcoin is the greatest distraction from the greatest disruption that is happening in financial services today. So I wish, because every time everybody gets in a conversation about crypto, it leads into a conversation about whether this currency, whether it's Dogecoin or Bitcoin, is of value. Forget that. That's like a religion. You either get a believer and a non-believer, and they're never going to agree. But blockchain as a technology and what it can do is going to be hugely disruptive. So not only is it going to be disruptive on traditional back offices and just create much greater efficiency, but disruption on business models.
Whoa. She said hugely disrupted. And she basically called Bitcoin and other coins a fad, like they're going to go away or something. The only thing that matters here is blockchain technology, because blockchain technology is disruptive. So it's kind of the way Amazon Books was to the book industry, how Uber and Lyft, what that meant for the taxi industry, and allowed for a new landscape of things. And that's what XRP is doing. It is a new landscape of financial prosperity in the likes of which we've never seen before. This is amazing. Like, I can't stop smiling, guys, because I've seen this already for 4 years. I've seen the writing on the wall thing, but I'm just excited. That's something I've invested in and I've held and I've had so much conviction and I've told my family and friends about for years and years. It's coming together. And I just hope everybody's taking this seriously, because this is the biggest opportunity that any millennials probably seen in their entire lives. Breaking, universities are starting to teach their students about XRP. Specifically, XRP, check this out.
So there's over 1,600 cryptocurrencies today that use blockchain. So all of us have probably heard about Bitcoin, some of us about Ethereum. In Japan, almost every bank is starting to work with something called XRP, or you may know it as Ripple. And there's many others.
Yeah, there it goes. 1,600 cryptocurrencies use blockchain. All the rest do not. There's millions of cryptocurrencies today. Now, only 1,600 of them actually use the blockchain technology. And we've all heard that someday all of the meme coins and all the other coins are just going to go to zero. Focus on these 1,600 cryptocurrencies and specifically the major ones right now that are being highlighted. Hint, hint, XRP, XLM, HBAR. Not financial advice. That's just what I'm doing. And like we just heard, this was a post from Linda P. Jones. Bitcoin is the greatest distraction from the greatest disruption that is coming to financial services. Franklin Templeton, Jenny Johnson. She is the CEO. And we just heard yesterday that they put an XRP ETF filed. See, Justin Franklin Templeton files S1 document for XRP ETF. That was yesterday. It's happening, guys. All the ducks are being placed in a row. Now, this is cool. Just in, California legislators endorse Bitcoiner to run to be on the board of their 500 billion public employees retirement system. So now we can possibly see Bitcoin being used in retirement programs. This is America's largest public pension fund. Amazing. It's being embedded everywhere. Cryptocurrency is here to stay. Those haters and non believers and people that continuously say that cryptocurrency is just a Ponzi scheme, I'm sorry, you are absolutely wrong. The dollar is the biggest Ponzi scheme ever created, especially once it was taken off of the gold standard. Right now, the dollar is just worth what people says it's worth. It's literally just a piece of paper. So start to put your money in assets that are going to last. And if you don't want to believe in cryptocurrency, that's fine. Buy gold, buy silver. Your money will be hedged against inflation and hedged against the dollar possibly going to nothing. Just take care of yourself. And bullish for crypto, of course, Rumble, the company, buys 17.1 million in Bitcoin, adding 188 Bitcoin to its treasury at an average price of 91,000 per Bitcoin. See, institutions are coming in. Every single institution, country, and state is currently buying Bitcoin to hedge their assets. And not only that, to have reserve assets, because Bitcoin is the new reserve asset of the entire world. And congrats to CZ of Binance. 2 billion investment in the company Binance is the largest crypto investment ever. Wow. So CZ of Binance just received a $2 billion investment from Abu Dhabi's MGX fund collaboration. They are going to be a minor stakeholder in Binance. Amazing news. Again, countries doubling down on the existence of cryptocurrency. It is here. And can we possibly not only see President Donald Trump eliminate crypto taxes, but actually eliminate income tax altogether? This is what this is saying. Trump is going to eliminate the IRS and abolish income tax. And this is from Grant Cardone. This person is well connected into the financial spaces. Holy moly, he wasn't joking. Trump just called for Congress to abolish the income tax. This is huge. Oh my gosh. If this happens, wow, I can see United States becoming super, super superpower. Again, everyone's going to want to come here just for the tax incentives. Every single business owner is going to want to come here because they're not going to want any tariffs. So they will build here, they will live here, they will spend their money here. This is huge, guys. I can't even contain myself anymore. This is, I see the writing on the wall. Yes, we are seeing some minor pain right now. We are seeing the markets fluctuate. The volatility is off the charts, and we're not out of the waters just yet. But with all of this good news coming, how can you not be so hype about the things that are coming to our country, or just in general to the cryptocurrency market if you're not an American? This is amazing. And breaking, Bitcoin bull and ARK CEO Kathy Wood says the market is nearing the end of a rolling recession. She expects a massive boom in the second half of the year, bullish for Bitcoin, bullish for the entire cryptocurrency markets. Congratulations, guys. If you've been a long term holder, if you've been a believer in the space like myself, if you've been holding on day by day, looking for good news and just doubling down on your convictions. So it's the time, guys. I'm excited to share it with you. Please like and subscribe. And if you guys are interested in any exchanges, I have affiliate links down below where you can receive some extra crypto just for signing up. And I also have indicator down below from Crypto Crew University. So check that out as well. Thank you so much for listening to me. I'm not a financial advisor, but I really enjoy giving you guys the news. So again, I'm just a girl with an opinion. Thank you so much for listening to it.